In front of me is Samsung Solid, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on this device. So first of all, you need to open menu, then find and select settings, go to display, and now pick backlight. And here you can pick after what time you wish your display to fall asleep, so it can be 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, or even 10 minutes. And actually I will pick 10 minutes, just tap on save. And that's it. As you can see now, your display would fall asleep after 10 minutes of inactivity. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.